Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations and today's video. Today we're going to be doing the topiary tree to match the wreaths that I created in the previous video. This topiary tree I got from Hobbycraft. It measures almost 5 inches at the base and 11 inches tall. I'm going to cover this base with as many leaves as possible just to disguise the that it's white. I was going to paint it, but I can't be bothered, crafters. So I'm going to, once I get all the elements on here, you're not going to tell that it was that there's white underneath. It's going to be so densely covered. But I will take out some leaves, because as you can see by this bag here, I keep all the leaves from the picks that I've used and I didn't want to use the leaves. I make sure I keep them all, and they really do come in handy. I'm a very organised person, so I have, like this for example, is just mixed leaves, and then I have ones with, you know, metal wired leaves. I've got ones with ferns in it. I'm just a very organised person. I like to have things at hand and in the right place. Okay, so I'm going to cut all this bulky plastic off, and the first thing I'll do is I'll start gluing these on. Now, as with my wreath video, I will only come on and talk to you if it's absolutely necessary, but I will play some nice music, some nice Christmas music over the top. So sit back, grab a hot chocolate or a eggnog, put on some, and listen to the Christmas music, and let's get creating this topiary tree. As you can see, crafters, I'm not covering the entire base. I just want to get some green under here, because once I get all the florals on, you're not going to see the white, but just in case some of it does show through, I'd rather, you know, some of the leaves show through than the white polystyrene. And you definitely could paint this green or brown or whatever colour you chose, but I like it to look somewhat natural underneath, if that makes sense. So having the leaves underneath just makes it look a bit more natural to my eye. I mean, do whatever suits you. If it's easier for you to paint them, please feel free to paint your polystyrene topiary base. My holly, because again, all the same elements that I used on the wreath. If you haven't seen the wreath video, I will have it at the end, and so it pops out now. So I will need holly, leaves and berries. I think these poinsettias are going to be too large for this particular topiary, so I may not be using the poinsettias from Poundland. I may have to try and get them from somewhere else, because these are just too big in my opinion. If you put that on there, it's going to swallow the tree, so I may not use those. Okay crafters, so it's all done. I need to go over it with my heat tool and get rid of all the hot glue strings. But this will go nice with my wreath. I'll just bring over the wreath so you can look at it together. Here is the big one that I created, and that's on the larger wreath form. Here's the topiary. The only thing I didn't add was the white poinsettias, but it's because I run out. So what I might do is, when I get some more, I may well come in and stick a few in, because I think it would bring something extra to this, having some white poinsettias. I have one, so yeah, I think I might get some white poinsettias and put those in there too. But until then, I will leave it like that. Let me bring over the smaller wreath that I did. I'm just putting some hot glue on this crafters while I'm here. So that's that. And then here's the mini wreath that we did on camera. So there'll be a link for this particular wreath in the description and pop out now. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Thank you very much for joining me today, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now.